Wala naman kanina ko yung program yung video na yan. Ano yun? Kasi sinasabi mo.
I can see the pain living in your eyes, and I know how hard you try. You deserve to have so much more. With your heart and to sympathize, I'll never criticize. You'll ever mean to my life. Wanna touch you down, I don't wanna lead you on. I don't want to hold you back from where my eyes belong. You would never ask me why. My heart is all disguise. I just can't live a lie anymore. I would rather hurt myself than to ever make you cry. There is nothing left to say but goodbye. You deserve a chance at the kind of love that's all I'm worthy of. The losing you is painful to me. Wanna let you down, don't wanna let you on. I don't wanna hold you back from where my body belongs. You would never ask me why. My heart is all disguise. I just can't live a lie anymore. I would rather hurt myself than to ever make you cry. There's nothing left to say but goodbye. You would never ask me why. My heart is so disguised. I just can't live a lie anymore. I would rather hurt myself than to ever make you cry. There's nothing left to try. There's gonna hurt us both. There's no other way than to say Excelente, so excuses. No, I can't forget this evening or your face as you were leaving, but I guess it's just the way the story goes. I always smile, but in my eyes it's sorrow shows. Yes, it shows. No, I can't forget tomorrow when I think of all my sorrows. When I had you there and never let it go. And now it's only fair that I should let you know. You should should know.
Mabait na po.
I can't live. It's living out without you. I can't give. I can't give anymore. I can't live if living is without you. I can't give anymore. I can't forget this evening or your face as you were leaving, but I guess that's just the way the story goes. We always smile, but in my eyes the sorrow shows. It shows. If living is without you, I can't live. I can't give anymore.
Ay, aad mo ko.
Living it without you, I can't give anymore.
Magkano ng ulang ko eh? Yes, yung hilap eh.
Wow. Ganyan ang kulay.
Teka lang. Send ko lang kung ano.
I can't live if living is without you. Can't give,
Ano lang?
can't give anymore. Can't live if living is without you. Can't give anymore.
Pinuli ko na yung friend ko. Siya nalisa ko. Pinuli ko na. Ano pwede ba?
Wow, ganda naman ng kulay. Wow.
Ano yan? Pwede.
Wow.